Hi friend, today I am going to explain about the Spur gear. What is Spur gear, what is wanted and what is diswanted of Spur gear. Spur gear actually uh, called two names. One Spur gear and second straight cut gear are the simplest type of gear. They consist of a cylinder cylinder या disc with teeth protecting redialing. Viewing the gear at 90 degrees from the shaft length one side. The tooth of face are straight and aligned parallel to the axis of ratio. Looking down the length of the shaft, a tooth cross section is usually not triangular, instead of being straight as in a triangle. The side of the cross section has a curve from usually invalid at and less commonly cyclodal to achieve a constant drive ratio. Spare gear mesh together correctly only if filled the parallel shaft. No axial thrust. It is created by the tooth load. Spur gear are excellent to moderate speed, but the sound of the tend to be noise very high, and it is too noise. Spur gear can be classified into two pressure angle 20 degree, the currently industry standard, and 14.5 being the formal after found it is older equipment. Spur gear teeth are manufactured as either involute profit of sidereal profile. When two gears are each mesh, it is possible then an involute portion of one will contact non-involute portion of either gear. This phenomenon is known as interfere and occurs when the number of teeth on the smaller of the two meshing gear is less than required minimum. Undercutting, cutting of the narrow close to its base in some time use the avoid interface, but it is usually not suitable because the decreased thickness leave the teeth weak and its base. In this situation, correctly gear are used in correct gear cutting rack. It is shift upward to downward. Spur gear can be confined into the two main categories, external and internal. Gear with teeth on the outside on the cylinder are known as internal gear. Gear with teeth on the internal side of the cylinder are known as internal gear. An external gear can mesh with an external gear or internal gear. When two external gears mesh together, then rotate it opposite direction. An internal gear can only mesh with an external gear, and the gear rotate into the same direction. Due to cross positionally of shaft, internal gear assemblies are more compact than external gear assemblies.